Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to invite and create a new partner user in the PIERRE application. We start by opening the PIERRE Partner App. As we can see, under our account, we already had access to the username and hotel roles. Now we'll invite a new partner to the Academy role. We open the menu, scroll down, and select Users. Since there are no users yet, we choose Invite and enter the partner's email address. For this example, we'll use pierrepartner8@gmail.com. Next, we give the user a name. Let's call them PIERRE Partner. It's important to enable the Manage Self option so the user can edit their own profile. Then, we assign the partner role. This is essential for them to access the partner app. Now we choose which role access to grant. In this case, Academy. We enable all permissions except location restrict, since we don't need that limitation. We keep the access as all time and click Save. Once saved, the new user appears in the list ready to be managed. We can assign them cards or additional permissions later, but for now the invite is complete. The invited partner receives an email immediately. If they don't yet have the PIERRE app, they can download it from the Play Store using the first link in the email. After downloading, they return to the email and click Activate Your Account. This opens the app and prompts them to create a password. They set a secure password with at least one capital letter and a number, then save. Afterward, they're automatically logged into the app. Next, they install the PIERRE Partner app from the Play Store. When they open it, they log in using the same email and password created earlier. Once logged in, they can immediately access their assigned building, controller, and manage their devices. It's very important that the login information matches exactly between both apps. If unsure, they can always check the email for the correct credentials. And that's it. Our new partner user is successfully invited and ready to use the PIERRE system. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.